సో వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ అందరికీ. సో ఈ వీడియోలో మనము కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఆఫ్ క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్స్లో parallelogram PQRS with PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters, QR is equal to 3 centimeters and angle RQP equal to 60 degrees. ఈ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఎలా చేయాలో నేర్చుకుందాం. సో దానికి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కావాల్సినటువంటి మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ ఏంటి? స్కేల్, ఇది కంపాస్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ ప్రొట్రాక్టర్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ దీనికి మనము ఒక రఫ్ డయాగ్రామ్ వేద్దాం ఎలా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ PQ అనేది బేస్ తీసుకున్నాం. సో బేస్ PQ and this is equal to 4.5 centimeter గీయాలి. ఓకే, దెన్ Q is 60 degrees అంటే ఇక్కడ మనము 60 degrees మెజర్ చేయాలి. అది ఇలా వస్తుంది అనుకుందాం. సో విల్ టేక్ QX 60 degrees. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ QR is 3 centimeters. ఓకే, Q నుంచి 3 centimeter రేడియస్తోని ఇక్కడ AXని కట్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ R అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. నౌ 4.5 centimeter తోని R సెంటర్ విల్ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రా ఆర్క్ లైక్ దిస్. నెక్స్ట్ మనము P నుంచి 3 centimeter రేడియస్తో ఈ ఆర్క్ని కట్ చేస్తాం. సో వి విల్ జాయిన్, ఇది S అవుతుంది, విల్ జాయిన్ RS, విల్ జాయిన్ TS. సో ఇది మనకి ప్యారలోగ్రామ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో దీన్ని మనము యూజింగ్ అవర్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ 4.5 బేస్ గీయాలి. ఇక్కడ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ టైంలో బోర్డు పైన కొంచెం పెద్ద కనిపించడానికి ఐ విల్ డబల్ ద మెజర్మెంట్స్. మీరు బుక్లో తీసేటప్పుడు యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మెజర్మెంట్తో గీయండి. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ విల్ డ్రా బేస్ యూజింగ్ అవర్ స్కేల్. ఓకే, so our base is 4.5 centimeters. So this is 0 to 4.5. I will take it as 9. Right, 9. Okay, so this is our base PQ with 4.5 centimeters. Okay, just I doubled it. I'll write 4.5 only. Next we have to measure 60 degrees at Q. So place your protractor at Q like this. Okay, the line should be exactly on PQ like this. Now we have to measure 60 degrees. Where is 60? So because it is Q, we have to see 60 from this side. So this is 60. Keep a point here. Okay, remove your protractor and draw a line from Q joining this point AX with your scale. Right. So from Q, draw a ray like this. So this I'll take it as X and this is our 60 degrees. Okay, now we have to measure what we have to measure. We have to measure QR. QR is 3 centimeters. Take 3 centimeters on your compass like this. Place the point of the compass on 0. Take your, that is 3, I am taking here 6. You measure up to 3 only. So this is 6 centimeters. Okay, so now take this, keep your point on Q. Right, now cut the ray AX like this. Okay, that's all. Right, so this point is R. This point is R and this is 3 centimeters. Okay, now with the same radius 3 with point P, keep this point at P. Okay, and draw another arc here. Right, draw another arc here like this. So remove your compass. So this will be your arc. Right, now measure 4.5. We have to measure 4.5. Keep your point on 0. Because it is 4.5, I will take 9. Sorry. So this is 9. Okay, so now place this point on R. Place your compass point on R. You have to cut this arc. This is the previous arc. You just cut the arc like this. Right, now this point what you are getting here is S. Now just we have to join PS and RS. Now join RS. Right, this is RS and I'll join PS. Okay, right, so this is PS. So this is our parallelogram. We have constructed our parallelogram. Right, so now we will see the steps of construction. Yeah, we'll see our steps of construction now. First step, draw base PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Next, second step, from Q, draw a ray QX with 60 degrees angle. Okay. Our third step will be with Q as center and 3 centimeter radius, draw an arc cutting QX at R. Right. Fourth point, with 3 centimeter radius and a P as center, draw an arc. Fifth point, with 4.5 centimeter radius and R as center, draw an arc cutting the previous arc. Sixth point, join P and S, join R and S. So therefore our PQRS parallelogram is constructed. Okay, we'll see another one. So this is the question. Construct a rhombus MATH where AT side is given as 4 centimeters and angle MAT 120 degrees. Rhombus properties manaku telusu. In rhombus all the sides will be equal, right? So AT 4 centimeter ante all other 3 sides kuda 4 centimeters untayi. So first we'll take AT as our base. So this is AT base, rough diagram. So this will be 4 centimeter, right? Now at A 120 degrees, we lost 120. Suppose this will be AX, this is 120 degrees. Now compass మీద 4 centimeters తీసుకొని from T we have to draw an arc like this. From A draw an arc like this. From this draw an arc like this. So this will be M, this will be H. Join MH and join TH. So this will be our rhombus, right? So we'll go for our construction. So same tools we need: a scale, a protractor and a compass. So first initial we'll draw our base. Our base is, we are taking it as 4 centimeter. I'll double it, I'll take it as H. Sorry, I'll draw a base first with the scale itself. 0, right, this is 8. So this is A T 4 centimeters. Okay, now measure 120 degrees at A. Keep your compass like this on A, right? So see, we have to measure 120 from this side. So 90, 100, 110, 120. This is 120. Keep a point here at 120 and remove your compass and join A and this point to AX. Right. So from A, I am drawing AX. Right. So this is X and here we have taken 120 degrees. Okay. So already I have taken measured 8 centimeters here on this. మీరు 4 centimeters తీసుకోండి, ఏ పైన పెట్టండి పాయింట్ని అండ్ కట్ దిస్ రే లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, సో ఇది మన పాయింట్ M and this will be 4 centimeters. Next, keep your compass on M. So this is already మనకి 4 centimeters ఉంది from M. Okay, sorry, measuring 8 centimeters. Keep the point on M and draw an arc like this. Okay, now keep your point on T. Keep your point on T, cut this arc like this. So our point is H. Okay, now join MH and AT. Our rhombus will be constructed. Join M and H, join T and H. So this is our rhombus MATH. Okay, so now we'll see steps of construction. Yeah, so steps of construction. First step, draw base AT 4 centimeters. Second step, From A, draw a ray AX with 120 degrees angle. Third step, with 4 centimeter radius and A as center, cut the ray AX at M. Next, fourth step, with same radius and M as center, draw an arc. Fifth step, with same radius with T as center, cut the previous arc at H. Now join M and H, join T and H. Therefore, our MATH rhombus is constructed. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts in this, please post your doubts in the comments box. Right? Thank you.